Hi and welcome to So Much to See. Each week we aim to bring you along with us as we travel Australia. Joe and I hope that we inspire you, and if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel more than you know. Let's see where we are up to in this episode.
Welcome to Geelong, Victoria, a city where history meets the sea. Today we're taking a ride along the waterfront and seeing the best Geelong has to offer from both the ground and the sky.
Hop on board the foreshore train. This charming ride offers a relaxing way to soak in the sights, perfect for families or anyone who wants to kick back and enjoy the breeze.
As we glide along the track, you'll see why the waterfront is the heart of Geelong. Beautiful parks, historic piers, and the perfect spots to enjoy a picnic or a coffee.
As we explore Geelong's waterfront, keep an eye out for the famous Bollard Trail. This walk features 48 different sites, with an estimated walking time of about 2 hours one way. Scattered along the trail are over 100 incredible bollards, stretching from Limeburners Point to Rippleside Park.
In 1995, artist Jan Mitchell was commissioned by the City of Greater Geelong to transform old timber pier pylons into these remarkable works of art. Each bollard tells a story, honoring unique characters from Geelong's rich history, including the original Indigenous inhabitants and other iconic figures.
While the foreshore is a must-see, Geelong has so much more to offer. Take a stroll through the Geelong Botanic Gardens, a peaceful oasis perfect for plant lovers and those wanting to escape the hustle and bustle. For history buffs, the National Wool Museum provides a fascinating look at the city's industrial past. Feeling like a bit of retail therapy? Head to Little Malop Street for some boutique shopping and enjoy the vibrant cafe culture that Geelong is known for. And if you're a thrill seeker, the Geelong Adventure Park offers water slides and rides that will keep the whole family entertained. From nature walks to exciting attractions, Geelong has something for everyone. Whether you're looking for relaxation or adventure, this city won't disappoint. Did you know that Geelong is also where you can catch the spirit of Tasmania? You can board the Spirit of Tasmania for a classic Aussie adventure across Bass Strait. The ships run every night and even during the day in peak season, so it's super easy to plan. There's plenty of space to stretch out, comfy cabins, and the fresh air on deck with epic views is hard to beat. Whether you're heading to Victoria or Tasmania, this is a great way to start your journey. So, if you would like to add more to your next adventure, why not set sail and see where the sea takes you? But the real magic happens when you see Geelong from the skies. Check out these stunning aerial views with the blue waters of Corio Bay sparkling below. Thanks for exploring with us, whether you're planning a trip or just dreaming of your next adventure. Geelong is calling.
Such a great spot. Had so much fun there.
Thank you for watching. And if you have made it this far, please like and subscribe. It does help the channel more than you know. Also, we have our own merchandise available. The link will be in the description below.